Play Roblox on your PC and laptop. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Roblox, join your first game, and learn the basic controls in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. Once the page loads, look in the top right corner. If you already have an account, click Login. If you're new to Roblox, click Sign Up and create your account. Once you're signed in, you'll see different games on the homepage. Pick any game you want to play. For this example, I'm clicking on Speedrun. Now click the green play button. If this is your first time launching Roblox on this computer, a pop-up will appear asking you to download Roblox. Click Download and install Roblox. The installer will begin downloading. Double-click it to open it. Give it a few seconds. Once the installation finishes, Roblox will open automatically. You can keep using the website to launch games, or use the Roblox app. Now go back to your game page. On the right side, the game will begin loading. Once you're inside the game, you can make it full screen. Move to the top right corner and click the maximize icon. Or press F11 on your keyboard. If you're on a laptop, you may need to press Fn and F11 together. Now, let's go over the controls. To move your character, use W, A, S, and D on your keyboard. W moves forward, A moves left, S moves backward, and D moves right. Press them together to move naturally around the map. To control the camera, hold the right mouse button. Then move your mouse. You'll be able to look around smoothly. To zoom in or out, use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Scroll forward to zoom in. Scroll backward to zoom out. And to jump, simply press the spacebar. That covers the main controls you'll use most often. You may also notice camera controls in the bottom right corner depending on the game. Now you can start exploring and playing. If you ever need to pause the game, press Escape on your keyboard. A menu will appear. From there, move to the right side and click Help. This section shows you all the controls and keyboard shortcuts. So if you forget a key later, you can always check here. And that's it. You're now ready to play Roblox on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.